The grandma? The grandma that called the cops?
All they did was gave him probation.
Well, they should have dismissed it because he didn't commit a crime. Were you the one that called the cops?
My daughter told.
Because somebody called the cops for no reason. There was literally nothing going on.
On the news.
Oh yeah, you're on the news right now.
Because I'll go to cop shop and have you arrested.
Okay, go do it. Go do it. Tell him my sign's right here. He left before I got there.
Grandma is here.
Oh, okay, I'm coming to see Grandma. The grandma? The grandma that called the cops?
I must be.
Oh man, let's check it out.
This lady stopped me and was asking about Julian. She says she believes he's the one that was dating her granddaughter.
Okay.
And that's her coming up there.
Okay, I don't. Okay, it might be a different. I don't know.
Maybe. I mean, I don't know how many.
They don't look like the same lady in the video, but we'll see. Only the strong. What'd she say?
They need to apologize publicly.
If it's her, but I don't think it is. Is it? It could be. Hello. I'm Ian from Welcome to This World Media. I'm the one that released the body cam footage of Julian being attacked.
Julian who?
Oh, you know, I thought you were.
No, I'm wondering if that's who my daughter's living with.
Uh,
Cousins?
I'm not sure exactly where it is, but
He got in trouble with the law like a year ago.
yeah, today is the 1-year anniversary of him getting brutally attacked and kidnapped by Hazel Park
Oh,
cops.
I don't think it was him then.
Yeah.
Julian,
Phillips.
Yes.
Yes,
that's
he
him.
got brutalized by cops. I got the body cam, I released it. Over 40,000 people have seen it. And that's why we came out here today to do a protest.
Why did they brutalize him?
You'd have to ask them, but
I don't talk to her anymore.
no, I mean the cops. You'd have to talk to the cops. Because that's the question. Why did the cops?
I got involved with this Julian shit, and I don't want no part of it.
Well, I'll tell you what, his rights were violated, and he's got a hell of a lawsuit coming because the corrupt system that took him down it was unlawful. Okay, and you can't do that in America. Okay.
No, you can't.
You can't just right. Well,
no,
right.
I agree with you.
They didn't never said he was detained, never nothing. They just grabbed him and threw him on the ground.
That's when I remember that they went to because my daughter. That's how the deal with the hand. When my daughter called my grandson with the phone, I had to go to court for that shit.
Well, the court system clearly was not right, and
All they did was give him probation.
well, they should have dismissed it because he didn't commit a crime, and you can't be arrested for not committing a crime,
So
right?
You know,
No, he's out here for support. Right. And there's the whole world is watching right now. There's probably you right now. Well, you're the one that called the cops, right? Were you the one that called the cops?
my daughter told my grandson
Did you call 911?
a year ago.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't remember what happened a year ago.
Well, I got the video. I got the video online that over 40,000 people have seen, and it shows you calling the cops, and then the cops coming over and attacking him, unlawfully attacking him.
I wasn't.
All of his problems are because of that phone call.
I remember that they said that he wanted to know what he was being arrested for, and he didn't know.
Well, they
So
never
this
said
is
he
all
was
due
being
to-
arrested.
This is all due to my granddaughter. This ain't nothing to do with me.
Well, you called the cops though, and
She called me. And
no,
said,
she didn't. She butt dialed her brother,
You know what?
granddaughter, or whatever.
No, she did not. That's a lie.
Then why did she lie to the cops? Because it's all in the body cam
That's
footage.
how she is.
It's all in the body cam footage. You know, the body cam footage don't lie.
So this is all about Julian.
Yes, for sure. You know, he was unlawfully
I don't
arrested.
want to see anybody be hurt.
Well, he was hurt. He was hurt, and he had his American rights violated because somebody called the cops for no reason. There was literally nothing going
On
on.
the news.
Oh yeah, you're on the news right now, broadcasting live.
It's her.
You know.
I told you I thought it was her.
It's not me. I didn't do anything.
If you called the
If I did
cops,
to her, then you know.
listen, I'll tell you what. If
I'm
you,
not getting involved with the
but you
cops.
did. You got involved by calling 911 on him. Okay.
She shouldn't have never called my grandson.
She didn't call him. It
Yes,
was.
she did
it-
call him. She was crying.
She butt dialed him by
No,
accident.
that's a lie.
And even if she was crying, that's no reason to have cops involved. Why are you gonna what? Because her feelings are hurt? He didn't hurt her. He didn't attack her. He didn't do
You
anything.
don't know what he did.
I do
You
know
don't
what he did because I seen it. I seen the body cam footage that I released, and you know what? It don't lie. The camera don't lie. It's all on video.
Get out of my
It-
face.
it was-
You're against your rights doing this.
It's
I
too-
have nothing to do with it.
Well,
Get out of
no.
my
I'll
face.
tell you what, lady. You can be named in the lawsuit.
I didn't do anything.
You did.
My daughter did
Hi,
it.
Snitch.
Right. You did. You're the reason that
No, I
that he
am
was
not.
had his
No,
rights
I am
violated.
not. It's my granddaughter.
No, it's you because you called the
No.
cops.
No.
Nobody else
My-
called the cops but you.
My grandson told me, Mimi, Summer just called crying to me on the phone.
Okay,
And
and?
she hung up on it.
Okay, big deal. It happens all the time. What's the problem with that? You don't call the cops because you know what happens when you call the cops? You get your rights violated,
Yeah,
and
well,
and
he's done more to her than just that. Trust me.
well, that still has nothing to do with you calling the cops for
Get out of my face.
for no reason. No, I'm not going to get out of your face. The world needs to be.
Because I'm going to cop shop and have you arrested.
Okay, go do it. Go do it.
Get out of my face.
Tell him my sign's right here.
Get out of my face.
This is the lady that unbelievable. Unbelievable. She'd not even have taken no accountability for her actions that caused 18-year-old kid to have his life ruined, man. You ruined his life by giving him a charge. Well, go ahead, report it, lady. What the hell? Yeah, that's terrible, man. What the fuck? Look at that. The fucking, oh my God. I'm just so frustrated with that lady right now. I tell you what. Idiot. She's a fucking moron who's gonna fucking call the cops over some feelings bullshit. Unbelievable. Go ahead and like and subscribe, please. Jesus Christ, you got my blood boiling. Oh my God. Like, how dumb are you, lady, that you don't realize that what you did created all this fucking problem? Unbelievable. Oh, I can't wait to read these fucking chats, that's for sure. It's gonna take forever to process. It literally takes like 8 hours to process a 40-minute video or some shit, so in 2 days I'll be able to see what you guys said. Oh, man. I'll tell you what, man, that lady is an idiot.
Delusional.
An idiot, yeah. Oh my God. How's that look, guys? Woo! Okay, I gotta take a break here for a second. Maybe read some chat here. What do we got going? Hi, chat. Okay. Oh yeah. Karen, big time. That's all I can say about that. Wow. That lady has no idea that she ruined some kid's life, trying to blame it on everybody else. Wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. You know, that's what's wrong with this fucking country, is that people be calling the cops over feelings, okay? And then somebody goes to jail over it.